You know that one spot in your home that's always cold, no matter what the thermostat says? That's why I picked up the Dreo Space Heater, and let me tell you, the cold doesn't stand a chance. This little tower might be the smartest way to survive winter. It's sleek, fast, and built to make any room feel like your favorite blanket. Right out of the box, it's simple. You get the heater, a remote, and no assembly headaches. The design's compact, clean, and surprisingly premium. Once it's plugged in, the digital screen lights up, the fan starts quietly, and within seconds, you can feel the warm air flowing. Don't let the size fool you. This thing kicks out serious heat. The 1500-watt HyperAmix PTC system warms your space almost instantly. And Dreo's new funnel design pushes warm air up 200% farther than traditional heaters. Safety-wise, it's solid. Flame retardant materials, automatic overheat protection, and a precision tilt sensor that shuts off the second it tips over. What really makes it stand out though is the control. You can set the temperature anywhere from 41 to 95 degrees in exact 1 degree increments, so it always feels just right. With multiple modes like power heat, eco, and fan only, plus extras like a 12-hour timer, child lock, and memory function, it fits perfectly into your daily life. If you're done freezing, grab the Dreo Space Heater. It's fast, safe, and actually looks good. Link is in the description. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more cozy gear, and stay warm out there.